Hello friends, welcome back again. Every night we see the moon in the sky. Sometimes it is round, sometimes half, sometimes thin. But today we are answering one simple question. What is the moon made of? The moon is a rocky body, just like Earth's surface, but it is very different from Earth. The moon is made of rocks and dust. The top layer of the moon is covered with fine dust called regolith. This dust was formed by millions of years of meteor impacts. When you look at the moon, you see many holes. These holes are called craters. Craters were formed when space rocks hit the moon. The moon also has mountains and flat plains, but the moon has no air, no water, and no weather. That is why craters stay the same for every long time. Because there is no air on the moon, humans cannot breathe there. Astronauts wear special spacesuits to survive. Some people joke and say the moon is made of cheese. But no friends, the moon is made of rock and dust, not cheese. The moon does not shine by itself. It only reflects light from the sun. So remember, the moon is rocky, dusty, dry, and silent, but it plays a very important role for Earth. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more special science.